All right, fifth grade, this week we are learning about line plots and stem and leaf plots. Let's talk about line plots first. A line plot is a way to display data on a line. It shows the frequency of data. So if we are looking at some data right now, and we had this right here, we're talking about the number of siblings. So we would have 2 students have no siblings, 4 students have 1 sibling, 3 students have 2, 6 have 3, 4 have 1, 1 has 4 siblings, and 1 has 5 siblings. To put it on our data, on our line plot, we would use X's. So for our 0, we'd have 2 X's to show 2, and we check off that we've taken them. For 1, we would have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I would check that I've got that. For 2 siblings, we would have 3, 1, 2, 3. And I would check for 3 siblings, I would have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 4, I would have 1. And for 5, I would have 1. The nice thing about a line plot is you can quickly look at this and you can see exactly what your data shows. Each X represents one data point, and that would show you exactly what you would need to know about how many siblings your classmates have. Now let's look at a stem and leaf plot. It's a special table where each data point is split into 2. It has a stem, which is going to be that first digit, and a leaf, which is the second digit or the last digit. So we have some data points here. We have 15, 32, 35, 22, 14, 29, 38. So my first stem that I would have would be 1 for my tens, or my ones in the teen. I have 14, so I could say I've used that one, and I have 15. Next, I would go into my next stem, which would be a 2 for 20. My first one I have is 22. You can cross out that I used that. And I have 29. I could cross it out. Finally, my last stem would be a 3. For 30, I have 32. Cross that out. 35. And 38. This is nice when you have lots of data because it allows you to put a lot of information in a small chart. We'll be working on these throughout the week. We'll be making our own and analyzing them.